To make this mailbox post, I'm starting with the frame. I'm using a 4x4 cedar tone timber. I'm starting with the main post, so I'm cutting a 4x4 to 7 feet. Next, I cut a front post to 33¼ inches. Next, I cut my cross braces at 23½ inches. Everything's connected by half laps, and I'm leaving 2 feet at the bottom for the main post to be buried. To make the half laps, all you need is a circular saw and a chisel. I first take the saw and I make a whole series of cuts about every 1/4 inch or so, and then grab the chisel and wait for it. And then I clean it up just to make sure it's nice and flat so the half lap will fit nice and snug. For assembly, it could not be easier. It's just gluing and then screwing these together, and because they're half flaps, this will be insanely strong, so plenty strong enough for a mailbox post. I'll be covering the main body in planks. For the planks, I'll be using a 1x4, and I'm cutting 16 pieces at 23½ inches. To assemble, I'm merely tacking these in place with a nail gun. Screws work totally fine as well. Now the last thing I need to add is a paper box. I'll be using a 1x8, cutting 4 pieces at 20 inches.